You must never be scared to kill. A revolution demands that at some point there must be killing, because the killing is part of a revolutionary act.
Tse ke ditshwaelo tse di bakileng dithulano magareng ga Khomishene ya ditshwanelo tsa botho le EFF. Khomishene e batla gore moeteledipele wa EFF Julius Malema a gogele morago ditshwaelo dingwe tsa gagwe le go kopa maitshwarelo. Fela ntle le go okaoka, EFF ya re Khomishene ga ya sekaseka ntlha eno ka mokgwa o maleba. Mo pegelong lekoko le ganela gore ditshwaelo tsa moeteledipele wa lone di rotloetsa letlho le go baka dikhuduego kwa kopanong ya lone kwa Western Cape. Lekoko la re puo ya ga Malema ga ya tlhalogangwa sentle.
The EFF must be known that it is not a playground for racists, that any racist that plays next to the EFF and threatens and beat up the membership and the leadership of the EFF, that is an application to meet your maker with immediate effect.
Khomishene ya re ditshwaelo tsa ga Malema di sikasikilwe sentle go lebilwe gore puo ya letlho ke eng.
We have very carefully considered his statements and judged them against what the Constitution and the law provide, as well as what the judges in courts like the Constitutional Court have decided with regard to what constitutes hate speech. And we have come to the conclusion that these statements do encourage violence. For example, with regard to the person who is alleged to have beaten EFF members at Brackenfell, he says that that person should be found and taken to a secluded spot and dealt with.
Khomishene e batla Malema a kope maitshwarelo le go gogela morago tshwaelo eo mo malatsing a le lesome kgotsa go gogelwa fa pele ga kgotlatshekelo.
Mr. Malema will get his opportunity to be heard in the Equality Court. There is no reason, there is no need for us to give him a hearing before we tell him that we are taking the matter to court. I think he probably does not understand how the process works. We have written to him to say that we are taking this matter to the Equality Court, and the Equality Court will not look at the matter until it hears his side. If he does not retract his statements, then he will have ample opportunity to justify his statements and to explain that they are political statements. In our view, all rights, even rights to make political statements.
Se e tla bo e se lekgetho la ntlha Malema a tlhagelela fa pele ga kgotlatshekelo ya tekatekano. Dikgwedi di le 4 tse di fetileng, EFF e fentse kgetsi ya puo ya letlho eo e neng e tlhatlhetswe ke mokgatlo wa AfriForum eo e amanang le pina ya Kiss the Bull.
As white people